Welcome along to another episode. You join me just as we've left Tisrington Quarry with this Caterpillar 980 loading shovel on. I'll show you a few pictures of it now. So you can see it's a bit of a beast, 30 ton in weight, and you may notice something different about the lorry as well. We are in the 750, this truck I've moved into when I come back off holidays. If you've been following me on Facebook, you would have seen that I've been at Benidorm. It's probably why, it's not probably why, it is why I didn't post nothing last weekend. Just because I was away in Benidorm, and obviously if I go away now, I like to get a few episodes up in advance. But of course, because Christmas is so close, we had a few weeks off for Christmas. It was hard to get the footage back in then, so I did try a gaming one, which was a VR episode. So if you haven't seen that, a link will be up the top. And that's basically me driving Truck Simulator 2 in VR. And to be honest, it was quite a good experience. But if you haven't done that well, the algorithm haven't picked up on it, and it haven't done too brilliant, to be honest with you. So it was a bit of a disappointment on that one. But it was after a few weeks from posting videos as well. Like, so I think it was about 3 or 4 weeks where a video hadn't gone live on the channel, and that was, I think that's something to do with it as well, with the algorithm. So it's a bit of a shame really, but it will pick back up again. It did, let's say, the channel, you know, it's not doing too bad, you know what I mean. Obviously this time of year now is a bit hard to film, the weather's poor, you know what I mean, you don't get all the gear wet, you know, you pay a lot of money for this sort of stuff. Like, even though it is waterproof, you still don't want to pay, you still don't want to go replacing it because it did fail its, you know, and it broke because of the rain or something like that, or it fell into the mud, or, you know what I mean, that sort of stuff. Like, it's, you know, you don't really want to be risking your gear outside in this weather. Plus then we don't get many we don't get much light during the winter time. That's another thing as well, like, you know, so it's quite awkward to record videos. Like, I could have recorded the other day when I was going up to 42 during the snow. That was an experience, but you couldn't see nothing, you know what I mean. It was dark, it was snowing heavy, and you wouldn't have seen much anyway, you know what I mean. So it wouldn't have been good footage. So that's the compromise you got to take when you're doing channels. You may when you're doing YouTube and you know, making the videos, sometimes you may be in a good situation, but then you got poor lighting, the weather's poor, and even though it's a nice tidy move that you want to show everybody, it's not going to be a good watch. So it is that. So we're just coming down the A38 and making our way towards Bristol, coming from this quarry, and then we're going to be making our way over the Severn Bridge, around Newport, and then in towards Llantris Centre, which is just on the other side of Cardiff, to take this to the Caterpillar facility, I would say. It's hard to say what you would call it, but yeah, facility. Well, that's better. Still adjusting the seats and everything. So yeah, like I said, I've been to Benidorm for one of my friend's 50ths. That was last weekend. That was an experience, I can say that for sure. So we left on a Saturday, came back on a Tuesday, and yeah, that was interesting to say the least. Really good. Does take it out on you, I gotta be honest with you, especially with that volume of alcohol intake. But it is definitely something I'd highly recommend to anybody. Although we went during a quiet time of the year, which made a big difference to us, like, you know what I mean. So like, some of the pubs were empty, and then other pubs were bouncing, because that's where the entertainment was. So that's, we were pretty much in where the entertainment was, because we wanted to watch entertainment as well, as you do. But it's definitely something where, you know, you could tell we get a little bit older, so to speak, and because boys which would have been bouncing the next day, you're in bed all next day. You know what I mean? So it's not myself. I did walk up to the Old Town. If you follow me on Facebook, you would have seen all that. So yeah, it would have been it was a nice experience. Like, anyway, we're gonna crack on and make our way towards Llantrisant, where we'll get this offloaded. Us coming up to Llantrisant now. Well, we're in Llantrisant, but you know what I mean. You get the drift. So just across this roundabout is where Caterpillar is, so that's where we're going. And drop it off then. Book it in and drop it off. Coming around the back here, up to the barrier, and hopefully they'll open it up for us. Otherwise I've got to get out and press it. Right here. that's us loaded, tipped off, we should say. So we pulling out of Finn's Caterpillar. See, it's not a bad machine to take on and off. You just got to take your time with it because it's wide, and obviously the outrigger's only timber. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward. The only problem with this junction now, we've got to wait pretty much until all these cars clear out the way. It's not really a busy road for cars to come up on, so we've pretty much got to wait for all this to clear on the right hand side, which is going to take a while again. He stopped a bit early, but paid off for us. Anyway, so we're gonna make our way to Carmarthen. Now, you're not gonna see this one, but I say that's my next job is down that neck of the woods. So yes, well, that's us all done with that little move. Again, apologise for the lack of videos. It's just I just wanted a little bit of break over Christmas, you know what I mean? And obviously, leading up to Christmas, we had all that bad weather, and like I said, I don't really like filming in the weather. I don't really want to be out in it, to be honest with you. And obviously, filming in it is a different thing. Like filming this now today, it's you know, it's as you can see, it's raining again. Like, you know what I mean? So it's I think I switched that on. Oh, I can't see it. Yeah, I have automatic wipers. There we are, it's done. Yeah, so it's is what it is, unfortunately. You know, maybe we're all human at the end of the day, aren't we? So yeah, I had a break, and obviously a trip to Benidorm, you know what I mean? And I didn't have my truck a couple of weeks before that because it was in for MOT, but then since then I've moved on to this truck as well. So it's yeah, the other truck's still on the road. I've been using it. I came off it yesterday, so yeah, there's nothing wrong with the other truck. It's just this one became available, and I was given it, you know what I mean? So it's a bit more suited for the work I'd be doing than the other one, because the other one's getting on a bit now. So yeah, so that's it then, really. So yeah, we are going to be doing a lot more content, as you know. I did mention on Facebook that would be happening, and we and obviously we got more to come then. But yes, I guess frustrating. Anyway, so thank you very much for watching. Happy New Year and a Merry Christmas. Obviously I don't think I said that in the gaming video. Not many people watched it anyway, so hopefully you all watch this one. And yeah, until next time, bye bye.